2008 H3 Hummer Alpha, the Alpha male. 5.3 liter? V8?
Yeah.
And I think this is the first one that you'll ever see the way we just did. Because I don't find them anywhere. You couldn't find them anywhere online. The owner, and then he came across our videos and said, I'm bringing it to them to get it done. So it's got 4 converters, one there, then 2 more, one there, and one there. Then we cut everything off and true dualed it right there. Crossed them over. Just makes it look more pretty and better flow, equalization of pressure, back pressure, and all that good stuff. 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, true dualed all the way. And our start, there's the Y pipe setup that comes on it. And the resonator is actually in the middle, and then the muffler's in the back over there. And then we cut all that off and true dualed it like I was saying. There's a 2 1/4 pipe into 5-inch rolled tips. Because you know, why not? They look bad. I don't want to say the other word, but you know, really nice. Really beautiful. So tell us what you guys think in the comments. I think it looks mean and beautiful. There it is. And there's the Alpha badge. Hummer H3. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And hope, as always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. They're saying the sound decibel is going to be 103. Let's see. Go ahead. Oh, that's beautiful. There's sound decibels again. 112. That's awesome. Again. There's the muffler and resonator. The 5-inch tips gives it such a deep tone. Just changes the tone completely. Oh, it's beautiful. Came out nice. H3 Alpha. They didn't make very much of these. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Look at all the victims, the old muffler and boxes and stuff. All gone. Who needs mufflers when you can make it sound like that? Hope you guys agree. H3 Alpha. Here it is at idle.